Hey, how's it going everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching and you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2015 Isuzu NQR. This is going to be our 4x2 rear-wheel drive tilt cab box truck with a liftgate and a side door. This has stock number 00414, and it also has a GVWR of 17,950 pounds. As we're walking around, I'd like you guys to just pay attention to how nice the quality of our trucks are. Here down below, we do have our def tank, and right next to that is where you would find our dually tires. So we have our dually rear tires. Along with our tires, we do have our recently painted chassis. We like to paint the chassis underneath our vehicles just to prevent any kinds of rust from forming underneath. And that's just a really nice feature that we have and we provide as a dealership. Now, of course, the quality is amazing. This truck looks amazing. And this is a diesel vehicle. So we do have our diesel fuel tank right over here. Now I'll go ahead and show you guys the backside of our truck. So now I went ahead and opened up our box and I actually pulled out our liftgate just to give you guys a quick view of what that looks like. Here on the back side, you can see that inside the box we do have our E-tracks. So it's lining the box around the whole side. And then obviously we have our sliding door that's over in the corner. And I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like here in a little bit. Scooting back, this is how our liftgate looks like. And this does have a capacity of 1,600 pounds. I'll go ahead and just lift it, show you guys what it looks like. So we have our little buttons over here. This is our control panel, so this is up and down. And then obviously we have it this way. I'll go ahead and lift it and show you guys how it looks like all the way up. And now with the liftgate up, this is going to be our view of what it looks like. This is great for whenever you're trying to load your truck, whenever you have something to carry. This is just going to make it easier for you guys. Now I'll go ahead and close this up and walk around and show you guys our sliding door. With our liftgate put away, this is what it's going to look like on this angle. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys our dually tires to this side. You guys can tell we have some wheels and tray on them. And then of course we do have our sliding door. Now I'll go ahead and open it and show you guys what it looks like with our sliding door open. And with our sliding door now open, this is our view of what it looks like. Obviously, the inside of the box is accessible through here. In here, we do have a length of 14.5. The height of the box is going to be 7.8, with our box width being 7.7. We do have our little steps that go into the actual box itself, and then we also have our cargo grab handles. Scooting back, the opening box width is going to be 210, with our opening box height being 7.9. With our doors open, this is what it looks like inside of the cab itself. And now I'll go ahead and give you guys a close-up at our steering wheel. Coming inside of our cab, this is just a close-up view of what it looks like in here. In here on the dash, we do see that it has 153,309 miles. Scooting a little bit back, we do have our cruise control that's right here, and along with that we do have our powered locks right here in the back. On the doors, we do have our powered windows, so you're able to roll them up or down. Now over to the right side, we do have our screen monitor. This monitor records everything in the back, so you're able to see stuff when you're parking or when you're reversing all around you. And right below that is going to be our radio. This radio works well with AM, FM, aux cord, and USB connection. This is what it looks like right here in the middle. And then we do have our overhead storage right above us as well. Right behind our seating area, this does actually become just like a little table, little thing, and we do have some storage back here as well. This is just a quick overview of what it looks like inside of our truck. And that will wrap it up for today's 2015 Isuzu NQR. This is our 14-foot 5-inch box truck with liftgate and side door. If you guys have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you call us or text us. Our sales team are amazing people and they usually answer after hours when needed. Feel free to check out the link to the website that is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty that we provide with them. That's just a way of providing quality for our customers. Don't forget to read that small information snippet. I'll be writing down everything I spoke about in the video just for you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys around in the next one.